Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create templated pages in Evidence. Templated pages are one of the most powerful Evidence features, and it allows you to create a single markdown file and then use that file to generate lots and lots of different pages that have the same structure but different content and data. So to find out how I'm going to do that, I'm going to start by going to the docs and the Evidence docs. So I'm going to go to here. So this is in templated pages. And here, I'm actually going to do it from VSCode Extension. So it tells me what to do. Create a SQL file query in your queries folder. So I've got a queries folder, and it should return one row per page that you want to generate, and a column containing a unique name or ID for each page, and any other columns containing data you want. So, okay, so I'm going to go, going to call it items.sql, and then we're going to select, and then item. And then I'm also going to say that I want to do the sum of the sales for each item, total sales. And so this is from orders. And then because I want one row per item, I'm going to group by item as well. Okay, I'm going to save that file. Okay, and then I'm going to run this command from the command palette. So I go command-P, paste in here. Okay, so now enter the column name containing ID for your templated items. So for me, it's actually called item. And then if I now go back to my preview, I can see it's created this page for me called items in the sidebar. So I'll click on items. And then in this page, it's then kind of got a listing for me of each of the items pages. And if I click on any of these items pages, then it's then created a sub-page for me with information from that page. And those correspond to these two files here. So I've got this this first file, which is this page, which is just sort of the listing directory. And this is just creating links to each of the different possible items. You can see here it's doing that in this query. Look at the query here, items with link. So it's creating this link to the mystic pendant route, for example. And then if I then click into a specific item, like a lamp, and then it's actually rendering this page here. And here, you can see, so it's using this items.sql query that I wrote, and then it's getting the item here as the title. So that's because it was in the item file. And then it's then also filtering this whole table. So I've got this items query, and then it's doing a filtering operation, and it's filtering where the param.item, so the item parameter, is equal to item. And the reason it's param.item is because this file name is item here. So then, when I do this, it then automatically fills in lamp into params.item. And notice this dollar sign. That's important. If you're doing it inside a SQL query, you need the dollar sign. If it's just on the page, then you don't need the dollar sign. And so then I've got this sort of filtered set that only has one record in, and then I can do some stuff with that. So that's it. Obviously, I could create a lot more content. This is just sort of the starting point. If I wanted to create more content using this item parameter, then I could use other charts and credits and things like that.